Are you putting the time, energy to put 2025 to a great start? Don't waste another year like you did last year and the year after that. You cannot keep wasting time. So guys, I will show you how to make 2025 the greatest year ever. Put it to a great start, like I am doing. Set goals. Right now, mine are YouTube and football. The football that Ronaldo plays. You know what I mean. I set them in early October. It's been December. It's December. I really, actually, just started. Since before this, I put no effort and skipped lots of days. But now I am realized what has been slowing me down. You should know what has been slowing you down. If you don't, I'll show you. Basically, for football, the one Ronaldo does. I've been realizing I've been putting no effort. I put no energy. Now I am wondering why I am not getting better. In YouTube, same thing. Putting no effort or time or energy. I've realized if I want to make progress, I have to stop scrolling shorts and instead do those two goals, or studying. If I want to make progress, I want to make sure I set my 2025 to a great start. You too. So make sure to see why you're not getting any results. Also, what's also failing me is not properly doing anything for football. Not proper training. Not make sure you work smart too. And also make bad thumbnails editing. And ideas for you too. So listen to all that. Anyway, what's been happening to you? What are your goals that you want to set for 2025? Share in the comments. And if you really want to share it, go in my channel info. Give something you want to say. It will either be added onto a video or just a completely new video. But I'll be deciding. If it's so good, it'll just be a completely new video.